Welcome back to the Pedagogy TLS. Today, Math Cycle 2. I want to solve this question from the study guide. As you can see here, a student measure the width of a piece of paper to be 36 centimeter, and the actual width of the paper is 35.75 centimeter. What is the relative error in this measurement? So this question you can see in the study guide. This is the first question. You can check the answer as well as you, and I'm sure the question is readable. So first I want to highlight that from where this question has been taken, from which domain. This is the domain 3, algebra, okay, and measurement. So this is the question taken from there. Now the next thing I want to discuss that we have to find out the relative error. Okay, for finding the relative error, first we need to find the absolute error. Now what is the absolute error? Absolute error is actually the difference between the measured value and the actual value. So the difference between measured value and actual value, right? So you can see here. Now the measured values are or is 36 centimeter, and the actual value is the 35 7 centimeter, right? So that will be 0.25 centimeter. So this is the, we got it, the absolute error. Absolute error. Now let's find out the relative error, right? So for the relative error, to find the relative error, we can say we have two methods. Okay, we can apply the two formulas. Okay, you can go for the direct, another method. Okay, direct measured value minus subtract the actual value, and then divide the actual value into 100. Okay, this is the first thing we can do it. Okay, so the measured value is 36 minus actual value 35.75, again divided by the actual value, that is a 35.75 into 100, right? So you can see here it will be 0.25 into 100 and divided 35.75. So what we're gonna do, you can also calculate 35.75 0.25 divided 35.75. So we have obtained this value 0.00699, then multiply with 100, multiply with 100, so you will get the 6.0699. So as you know that in this last digit is greater than 5, so what we're gonna do, we'll be adding the 1 into the nearest. Okay, so this will be 0.07 percent. That is the answer, as you can see in the another method. Okay, after getting the absolute value, we can go for the relative error. Okay, then we have to get the absolute, because we got it the absolute, right? Error divided the actual error again into 100. So we know that 25 35.75 into 100, so we'll be getting the same value. Okay, 0.699, and then you have to add 1 over here. That will be your answer for that. I hope this will help you a lot. So I'll be giving you more questions from the study guide for cycle 2. Okay, so we'll be meeting the next lesson. Until then, take care.